So in this video, we are going to learn how to reply to Google Business Profile reviews using AI agent. So in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which is going to fetch for unreplied reviews from our Google Business Profile every few minutes. So we have selected the schedule time as 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes, this AI agent will trigger and then it will fetch the unreplied review from our Google Business Profile. After that, this AI agent will send the same review to OpenAI and generate a reply for that review. After generating the reply, it is going to automatically post the same reply as well on that review. If you want, you can also twerk this AI agent to reply to the new reviews which you are getting on your Google Business Profile as well. Now, if you want to know how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Business Profile. And in my Google Business Profile, I have received some reviews from the users which are unreplied. So I have these unreplied reviews over here. And in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which will one by one pick all the unreplied reviews from our Google Business Profile. And then using AI platform like OpenAI, we are going to generate a reply for the reviews and post those replies back on our Google Business Profile as well. And to build this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, here we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI Agent for Google Business Profile Replies. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to basically schedule this automation workflow that at what frequency or at what time interval we want this automation workflow, this AI agent to work and fetch for unreplied reviews from our Google Business Profile. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to select Schedule Pabbly over here. And after selecting Schedule Pabbly in Trigger Event from the dropdown, select Schedule Workflow. Then after that, it is asking us how often you want to run your workflow. So in the dropdown, we have two options. At regular interval, once every day, days of the week and dates of the month. So we want to run this AI agent at a regular interval. So we are going to select regular interval over here. Then let's say I want to fetch unreplied reviews from my Google Business Profile every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, this workflow will execute. It will fetch one unreplied reviews from our Google Business Profile. And after that, what is going to happen? It is going to basically generate a reply for the same. This AI agent is going to generate a reply for the same review using OpenAI and post that reply as well. So we have selected the time interval as 10 minutes over here and then just click on Save. Now, instead of 10 minutes, if you have a lot of unreplied reviews and you want to quickly reply to all of those reviews using this AI agent, you can basically reduce this time up to 1 minute. Or if you don't get Google Business Profile reviews so frequently, then if you want, you can just increase this time limit as well. Now, after scheduling your workflow, this AI agent to fetch for new reviews from Google Business Profile every 10 minutes, we will just scroll down and come to this Actions tab. Then here in Choose App, in the next step, we want this AI agent to fetch for unreplied reviews from Google Business Profile. So we will search for Google Business Profile over here. After selecting Google Business Profile, an action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Fetch Review. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here in the pop-up window, select your Google Business Profile, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see our Google Business Profile will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after that, it is asking us for the account name. So in this dropdown, you will see a list of all the Google Business accounts which you have created in this email address, in this Google Business Profile Manager. So if you are added as a manager in multiple accounts, you will get a list of all of them over here in this dropdown. Then after this, it is asking us for the location name. So it is most likely possible that into a single account, you might have added multiple locations for your business. So in this dropdown, you will get a list of all the locations which you have over here. Like right now for this particular business, I have 2 locations. So I'm going to select this particular location. I want to fetch the unreplied reviews for this particular location. Then it is asking us types of reviews to fetch. So in this dropdown, we have 3 options: unreplied, replied, and all. So if you want to fetch all the reviews, then select all. If you just want to fetch replied reviews and save it somewhere else in Google Sheet or somewhere else, then you can select replied over here. And if you want to fetch unreplied reviews only from your Google business profile, then you can select unreplied over here. And we are going to select it. Then after this, the next thing it asks us is ignore rating only reviews. So here, if you want this AI agent to only fetch the reviews which have some message in it, and if there are any reviews which are only ratings, so let's say if a user has just given the star ratings and no message or comment is written over there in without review, and if you want to ignore those reviews, if you don't want to fetch those reviews, you can select true over here. But right now, using this AI agent, I want to post a reply for the rating only reviews as well. So that's why we are selecting false. We want to fetch the rating only review. We don't want to ignore them. Then it is asking us reset on execution. So using this particular action, this AI agent will keep on fetching the reviews, the unreplied reviews from our Google business profile. And it will start with the latest review. It will take the most recent review, which is unreplied. And then this AI agent will basically generate the reply for that review and post the reply. And after that, it will get the reply which was previous to that. So in this way, from latest to the oldest review, we move on fetching the unreplied reviews. But if we select this option of reset on execution as on, or select yes over here, in that case, what is going to happen? While we are fetching the reviews, in the middle of that, in the middle of fetching any 2 reviews, if we get a new review, if a user posts a new review and we get it, then it is going to reset it. It will get the recent review, the most latest review, or the new review which is posted, which we have just now received on our Google business profile. And after that, once again, it will start fetching the unreplied reviews only. So if you want to basically use this same AI agent to reply to the new reviews which you are getting after this, then in that case, you can select this option of reset on execution as yes. But if you want to use this AI agent only to reply to the old and the existing reviews which you have on your Google business profile, then select no. Right now, I'm selecting yes over here. I'm building this AI agent future-proof, and I want that if I get a new review as well, this AI agent should basically reply to those reviews as well. Then after this, let's click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now, as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, we have received the details of the most recent review, the latest unreplied review. So the latest unreplied review on my Google business profile was from this user over here. They have given us 5-star rating, and the review says, absolutely love shopping at Parampara store, and we have the rest of the review message. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, you can see that we have received the name of the review. This is the unique review name, unique review ID, which we are going to use later on while posting the reply. Then after that, we have the date and time, that what is the date and time at which this review was updated last. Then here you can see that in front of review comment, we have the actual comment, the actual message which was posted by the user. Then we have the name of the person who has posted this review, and we also have the star rating over here. So in this way, we have successfully received or fetched the unreplied reviews from our Google business profile using this AI agent. Now we want this AI agent to generate the reply for these reviews as well. So what we are going to do, we will scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and we are going to add an action step of OpenAI, because using OpenAI, we are going to basically generate the reply. We are using OpenAI as the AI platform. But if you want, instead of this, you can use any other AI platform as well. After selecting OpenAI, select the action event as ChatGPT, then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your OpenAI account over here, and then from the dashboard, just go to this API key section. After coming to API key, click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this secret key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Google Business Profile Review Replies. or let me say AI agent for Google Business Profile Review Replies. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account and then in permissions select all and click on Create Secret Key. As you click on Create Secret Key, the new API key is generated. Copy the API key from here, go to Public Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Public Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is to select the AI model. And in this dropdown, here you can see a list of all the AI models offered by OpenAI, offered by ChatGPT. So here, let's say I want to use the model as GPT-4o Mini to generate the replies over here. So I'm selecting this model. You can basically select any other model as per your choice. Then it is asking us for the prompt. So here we have to enter the prompt which we want to give to ChatGPT. And in this prompt, we are also going to mention the name of the person who has posted the reply, the star rating which they have given, and also we are going to mention the comment. So I have already created a prompt. Let me just paste that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm entering over here. So the prompt says, write short, engaging, and professional replies to Google Business Profile reviews. Your response should be friendly, appreciative, and relevant to the review. If the reviewer left a comment, respond in a way to acknowledge their feedback. If the comment is missing or blank, craft a reply based on the star rating alone. Keep responses concise in 1 or 2 sentences, engaging and personalized. Review details. So here we are going to basically enter the prompt. We have entered this kind of prompt over here, and you can change this prompt as per your choice. In this prompt, you can basically mention the details of your business as well, and on the basis of those details, ChatGPT or OpenAI will generate the reply for the reviews. And after giving the prompt of your choice, we are going to enter these 3 details: reviewer name, the star rating which they have give, and if they have entered any comment in the review, then we are going to share the same comment as well. Now we have received all of these details from Google Business Profile in the previous step. So what we are going to do, from the previous step responses of Google Business Profile, we are going to send the responses of the comment, name, and the star rating to this OpenAI action step. And to add the responses of previous step in this OpenAI action step in the prompt field, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of prompt over here, and in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. Out of all of these responses, in front of reviewer name, we are going to select the response of the name of the reviewer, display name of the reviewer, and it will be mapped. Then here in front of star rating, we are going to select the star rating and map it. And then after that, in review comment, we are going to select the response of the comment and map it over here. So in this way, we have entered our prompt, and in the same prompt field, we have basically mentioned the reviewer name, star rating, and the review comment as well. After selecting your AI model and entering the prompt, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, you can see that we have received a reply for the same review. The review says, "Thank you so much, Angel." So we have the name of the person who has posted the review. We are thrilled to hear you love our ethnic wear collection and had a fantastic shopping experience. Your kind words about our craftsmanship and customer service truly means a lot to us. So this is a personalized reply where ChatGPT or OpenAI has taken the consideration of the user's comment or their feedback or their review as well in the reply. So after generating the reply over here, the step 3 of building this AI agent is completed. Now this AI agent only have to post this reply back on Google Business Profile. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, once again we'll search for Google Business Profile. But this time, in the action event from the drop-down, we are going to select the action event as Create Reply Beta. Then just click on Connect and select Existing Connection. Now, because we have connected our Google Business Profile account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. And as you click on Save, you will see our Google Business Profile will get connected with Pabbly Connect once again. Once again, we have to select the same account and the same location over here, which we have selected while fetching the reviews. After that, it is asking us for the review name. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the reviews which we have received from Google Business Profile. But out of all of them, the reply of which particular review we want to post right now using this AI agent. Which particular review we have fetched, whose reply we want to post, we have to enter it. So what we are going to do, We will turn this mapping button on and clear this default response. Then after that, after fetching the review from Google Business Profile in the previous step, in the second step in this AI agent, we have received the response of review name. So from this dropdown, we are going to select and map the response of review name over here. In this way, we are going to post the reply generated by AI or this AI agent to the same review which we have fetched earlier. After mapping the review name, it is asking us your reply, that what is the reply we want to post. And here we have received the reply from OpenAI. So from the drop down from OpenAI responses, we are going to select the response of content, basically the reply, and map it. And then just click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response, and this is a positive response. This response shows that the review which we have fetched over here, the reply of that review is generated using ChatGPT using OpenAI and also posted using this AI agent. So let's check it. We will just go to our Google Business Profile and refresh this reviews page once. And yes, here you can see that just now by the owner, the reply is posted for the same review which we have fetched using this AI agent. And now because we have scheduled this AI agent to trigger every 10 minutes it will basically get an unreplied review from our Google Business Profile. Then after that, this AI agent will generate a reply for the same reviews using ChatGPT and then post the reply back on the same review as well. So in this way, we have built this AI agent which will basically reply to all the old reviews which you already have unreplied on your Google Business Profile. And also if you want, you can make a little bit of changes and then this same AI agent will reply to the new reviews as you get it too. So not just this, you can use Pabbly Connect to build AI agent to automate a lot of your applications and business processes. Also, let me tell you, you will get a clone link of this same workflow, of the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow, the same AI agent into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this workflow or this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.